how to change the angle of rotation or the point of rotation on your Photoshop document. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the layer that you want to select. Let's say there is only one layer, so I'm going to select that only one. Then you're going to go and put this one anchor or to the side or wherever you want the angle of rotation to be. Now when I go to the side and rotate this picture, so I'm not getting any rotation option, so this is the rotation option. Now as I rotate this picture, it will rotate around this button, not in the center. So you can easily do it by pressing it somewhere else and you will be good to go. Now how to change the rotation without the anchor? So you have to right click over here. Now rotate it to 180, 90 clockwise, and perspective or wrap or whatever you want. You can right click and get a free transform order over from here. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.